Alright, I'm at a fireworks stand here in Las Vegas. This one's run by the Las Vegas Vietnam veterans. See what they have here. Starting off, they have the Wild Side, Light Symphony. They have the Urban Assault Vehicle, Crazy Bug. Up here they have Jalapeno Popper, Cool Cat, the Dino 2-pack, Neon Force, Sparklers, Neon Sparklers, and a value bag assortment. Got Electro down here, Game Mode and Icebreaker up here. Got the smoke grenades, the Dino Eggs, the Orchid Fountain, Ground Bloom Flowers, Smoke Balls, Mighty Sword, Morning Glories. Here's the Fairy Wand, Piccolo Peeps, the Yellow Red Snapper Adult Snaps, Ground Bloom Flowers that just spin, Crackling String, Purple Rain, Little Red Devil, the Icebreaker, Regular Poppets, Main Squeeze. This is now the Pyro Pack, and now it's in a box and not in a bag. The Ninja Sticks, that Beatbox, new fountain for this year, Cool Breeze, Electro, Neon Force, Tiny Titan, the Snow Chill, Snow Cone Fountain, Ice Cream Fountain, the Fruit Salad Fountains, the Blasts, Fairy Wand, the Patriot Red, White, and Blue Poppets, the Laser Sabers, more Dinos, Jalapeno Poppers, Cool Cats, Morning Glories, Game Mode, Neon, Morning Glories. In the back here, I have the Perfect Show assortment, the All-American assortment, La Calaca, the Tentacles, Ellie, the Centennial Fountain, it's half off. There's the American Revolution Spinning Fountain, Living the Dream opening show. They have a Nevada exclusive pack. Eternal Eruption, Thunder Fantasy, that is a hybrid, so that's a fountain and a mine. There's your Martian Man, 5-minute showdown, Family Pack assortment, the 49er assortment, Galactic Shower, that's a barrage, so Roman candle type of thing, Atomic Salsa. Over on this side, they have the Stars Barrage, which is a Roman Candle Star Barrage, Thunder Fantasy again, which is the hybrid, Family Pack. Up here they have the Allegiant, Candy Paint, and Lava Panther. They have the 3-pack Snow Unicorn Fountains, Three Amigos, the Magic Seashell, there's your Martian Man, World Champ, Centennials, Crypto Barrel, Toxic Barrel, there's Launchpad Heroes, the Big Deluxe, Big Timer, and that's what they have at the fireworks stand here in Las Vegas.